Hey, good morning everybody from Mariupol. This is Roger Daviston, cognitive specialist, helping you think different, change and grow. I just wanted to give you a short video this morning about life in Mariupol, Ukraine. One of the things I like about it is I start work in the afternoon. My day starts about 2:30 in the afternoon, and so my mornings are always free. This morning I've been to one of my favorite places. It's the Central Market. We bought all this stuff for our New Year's party tomorrow, so I have to go to the market with Ina, my wife, because I'm like the horse. If you'll see, I'm carrying not all of it, but some of it. She took some over to her mother's. But anyway, one of the benefits of living here is that you get to walk a lot. When I come here, I always lose weight and I'm a lot more healthy. The food here is better. It's all fresh, no chemicals. You know, you buy the bread, you got to eat it, because if it sits on the counter, it ruins quickly because it doesn't have any preservatives in it. We've had a lot of snow. I'm on the way home. See you, bye.